to Mamdu's Chinese kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Chinese belt noodles from scratch. So let's get started. First up, let's add 250 grams of all-purpose flour and 2 grams of salt, 130 grams of water. Use spatula to mix everything together. Once the dough looks like this, we can start to use hand to knead it. Grab the leftover little flour. Let's wait for 15 minutes. Let the dough rest for. Now let's knead the dough again to make it a smooth dough. Let's knead the dough for a few minutes. To make a smooth dough. Okay, so now we will divide the dough into equal pieces. Now let's add some oil in the pan and brush them evenly. Take each dough, coat with oil. So this is all ready. We cover with the foil and wait for 1 hour. 1 hour. Now we take one. Take a little flour. Press it. Hold like this and pull it, and we start to pull at the same time. You hit on. Here we go. One more. Press it. Press it. And take a little bit of flour in case stick. Roll it to thin pieces and we hold like this, pull it, yeah, and start to. Now bring to boil. Here we go. Spring onion, garlic, 5 spice powder, chicken essence, chili powder, soy sauce, hot oil in. We add some ground beef tomato sauce. That start to